Today, we're diving into the world of listening, specifically part 4 of your listening test. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, it's me, Teacher M. I'm back with another exciting lesson to make English learning possible and fun for you. Today, we're diving into the world of listening, specifically part 4 of your listening test. In this part, you listen to a conversation between two people, and based on the dialogue, you will then have to complete a passage by fill in the blanks with just one word each. There will be 10 blanks altogether. But don't worry, I've got some awesome tips to help you breeze through it. Tip number 1, preview the passage. Before you start listening to the audio, give the passage a quick glance. This sneak peek will help your brain to get ready for the information it's about to listen. Think of it as a warm-up for your ears. Tip number 2, listen actively. Now, when you start listening, be an active detective. Listen for the main ideas and try to figure out the words you feel suitable to be filled in the blanks. Don't worry about the blanks that you are not really sure of the answer, as you will have another chance to listen to the audio. Tip number 3, jot down the answer right away. During the first round of listening, please write your answer in the blanks provided if you are sure of the answers, leaving only the blanks that you are not really certain of the answers. But you can still jot down the words next to the blanks in pencil as your guidelines. Tip number 4, listen again and complete all the blanks. When the examiners hit the play button one more time, try to focus on the parts where you still have got blanks to fill. The more you listen, the clearer the answers become. Tip number 5, context clues. Use the surrounding words as your secret agents. They often give you hints about the word you need. It's like they are whispering the answer right into your ear. Tip number 6, grammar, verbs and tenses. Remember, your word needs to play nicely with the rest of the sentence, so check your verbs and tenses. Tip number 7, make a smart guess. If you are stuck, don't panic. Make an educated guess. Sherlock Holmes would be proud of your guessing skills. Tip number 8, stay calm and manage time. Keep a cool head and manage your time wisely when you're given time to fill in your answers. If a blank is being a bit stubborn, move on and come back later. Remember, time is your ally. Tip number 9, practice, practice and practice. Practice makes perfect, and you're on the road to perfection. Use online resources for more listening exercises. You're building your English muscles. Tip number 10, review and relax. After the test, review your answers. Learn from your mistakes and remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Stay calm and relax. You are doing awesome! There you have it, fantastic learners. You're now armed with 10 awesome tips to conquer part 4 of your listening test. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, English is possible. Until next time, this is Teacher M signing off.